If you are looking for ways of how to treat nerve damage naturally, then this modality of natural healthcare may provide you with all your answers. Nerve damage can be a very painful condition to have. Whilst painkillers may provide you with a modicum of relief, the best way is to restore the nerves, to repair the damage. Nerve damage can come about from injuries, from dental work, from surgery. Areas rich in nerves are your finger and toe tips, mouth, eyes, genitals, back and head, although nerves are everywhere. Here's how homeopathy, one of the most deeply curative modalities of any healthcare systems, can help you. 1. Homeopathy works by targeting the problem and reversing the effect. The appropriate treatment will quickly repair the damage. 2. Homeopathic treatment is safe, without side effects or a toxic burden. 3. Although the deepest and fastest way to achieve the best results may come from a consultation with a professional homeopath, you can learn to use the common remedies at home for many common problems, including injury and nerve damage that results from it. 4. One of the advantages of homeopathic treatment is that it treats the whole person. It's not just your nerve damage that is treated, but the reason you were predisposed to this condition. Everyone is a unique individual and as such has a particular weakness or predisposition to a certain area of ill health. Homeopathy seeks to discover your weakness and then to strengthen it. 5. Homeopathy works by naturally boosting your immune system. You can only have health problems if this is suppressed. There are many factors which suppress your immune system, but this intangible aspect of you is your greatest asset. So it's a good idea to look after it. Keeping it strong means you can recover easily from almost anything. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Doc Online, to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.